Very nice, ma'am. This all kids are experienced and very good, and this science explore is very nice, very nice. Thank you. Kids and teachers are doing very well. Kids are so amazing, and exhibition also so amazing. Thank you, ma'am. It was really extraordinary. It is unimagined that we saw the students of iMemory are doing the science exhibition. Is excellent. Even in our school level, we are not taught this all. So we are learning from here. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback. All are nice, ma'am. That if DNA extraction is very good, ma'am. I like this one. And the arrow directions is there, na? That is also very nice, ma'am. This bow, I like it. This bow. Thank you.
Hello. This is very good initiation for the kids to get encouraged, and it's very nice. Thank you. You want? अच्छा लगा है. हाँ. House अच्छा है सब.
Project. This not only helps with their creative and logical thinking, but as well as the communication skills when they present their project to the parents. So this is a welcome step and should be carried out every year. Thank you.
Such a great opportunity for all kids to explore themselves, and it's a very good opportunity to see all the kids like this and to know very valuable information from them. Thank you so much.
To see all the kids are exploring new things in science, technology and everything. So it's a nice exposure for every children. They are learning many things apart from, and this helps them in learning things in a practical way. Apart from the theoretical part, they will be learning through their experiments, and that will be very helpful in their life, in their education. Thank you.
Good morning. Happy Science Day. All the projects the kids have prepared, they are very nice and they have done a great job, and it gives a great sense of confidence, like to explain about it, that and the way they are explaining, it's quite appreciating. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good morning. చాలా బాగుంది ఈ రోజు సైన్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. పిల్లలు చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉన్నారు పిల్లలు, అండ్ ఎక్సైటింగ్ గా ఉన్నారు చెప్పడానికి కూడా. చాలా బాగుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
అన్ని ఐటమ్స్ కవర్ చేశారమ్మా. చాలా బాగుంది చూడ్డానికి, చాలా చక్కగా ఉంది. పిల్లలంతా కూడా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చెప్తున్నారు. టీచర్స్ బాగా గైడ్ చేశారు పిల్లలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
The exhibition is very nice. All the students work. The science exhibition is a great way of learning.
Now they are creating many models, and I hope in future they will create the mega models. And I can see the astronauts, scientists from the iMemories. I can also see that by this way they can create their own products. They can be in every field. I can see iMemory students in all fields, and they will excel.
The students are performing very well and very nice. They are doing very nice. They are explaining literally in very good manner. We are so interested to listen to them. Each and every student is performing very nice, and I'm so happy to come, and I'm coming first time, and I'm very proud of each and every student in iMemory. They are doing so very nice.
Thanks for iMemory team for giving the opportunity to participate in this Science Explorer Science Fair exhibition. Thanks a lot, children. It was very nice. It was so good. ఈ రోజు ఈ iMemory స్కూల్లో ఈ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ చేస్తున్న పిల్లలందరూ చాలా టెక్నాలజీగా కొత్తగా అన్ని ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది. వీళ్ళు ఇంత బాగా ట్రైన్ చేసిన టీచర్స్ కి ముందుగా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాము. వీళ్ళు ఇంకా ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ అలాగే యాక్టివిటీస్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ దానికి సహకరించాలని iMemory స్కూల్ వాళ్ళని కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
హాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీబడి. పిల్లలు చేసిన సైన్స్ ఫేర్ కి వచ్చినందుకు మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. పిల్లల్ని ఇంత మంచిగా వాళ్ళకి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయించి వాళ్ళ చేత వాళ్ళలో ఉన్న టాలెంట్ ని బయట తీసిన టీచర్స్ అందరికి కూడా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
I have just witnessed the science exhibition. Very nice. Well done by all the children. I really loved it. Appreciate. Thank you, and thanks to all the teachers and Rajendra sir. Thank you.